We are aware of more than we know, and we know more than we are able to articulate by words.
These are students at the only university college where the working and teaching language is Sámi. All education is directed towards the needs of Sámi society. Traditional knowledge is linked up to the need of the future for highly educated people.
Idioma, and I am from Idioma, Sweden.
Hello, my name is Mairangil Vasara and I'm from Kautokeino, Norway.
Hello, my name is Peter Lukin. I'm from Russian Louisiana.
Hello, my name is Aslak Palto and I'm from Lemmenjoki, Finland.
Sámi University College admits students from the entire Sámi region, irrespective of national borders.
Sámi University College is an indigenous institution that preserves and promotes Sámi language, culture and community life. Oral tradition, a nature-based understanding of the world, and tradition-based customs are prerequisites for our intellectual heritage and the spiritual foundation of our existence. Scientific and tradition-based knowledge hand in hand for the best of future generations.
Here, a unique body of knowledge and skills is offered in, among other things, Sámi language and duchi, which is Sámi handicrafts and artwares. The University College also offers teacher training and courses in journalism. Together with the Nordic Sámi Institute, the University College makes up an important part of the Sámi research environment. This research is important for the development of Sámi society.
Sámi research is important because we need knowledge from all the sources we have, from the traditional sources, through memories and through the language. And we of course need knowledge through the modern scientific way of research. And we need to unify this because all knowledge is a part of a system. And we don't want to just bring something in from the outside, but we want to unify this. So the growth is natural, that knowledge grows in a natural way based on the knowledge we already have.
Much of the Sámi research revolves around legal issues, culture and language. Sámi studies are also offered at a number of other educational institutions in the Nordic countries.